Welcome. If Instagram's social channel messages have been flooding your notifications while you're working or browsing on your PC, you're not alone. The good news is, with the latest update on Instagram Web, you can easily mute those notifications in just a few clicks. Let me walk you through it step by step. First, go ahead and open Instagram in your web browser. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access all your settings without any issues. Once you're on the Instagram homepage, look down to the bottom left corner of your screen. You'll see three horizontal lines there. Click on those lines to open the menu. From the menu that appears, find and click on Settings. This will take you to the area where you can customize how Instagram works for you. Inside Settings, look for the Notification section and click on it. This is where you control what alerts you receive and how often you get them. Next, find and select Push Notifications. This section allows you to manage notifications that pop up while you're using Instagram, or even when you're not actively on the page. Now, scroll until you see the option labeled Social Channel Messages. This is the specific setting that controls notifications for messages coming from social channels. To mute them, simply choose Off under Social Channel Messages. That's